Good afternoon, parents. I wanted to show you what the children will be doing tonight for homework. This is an activity that we did in class to practice what they're going to do tonight for homework. So tonight for homework is going to be their first night of doing what I call flipped homework, where they are actually learning the lesson from a video that I have recorded and taking notes as they go. And then they're going to have a 5-question homework Google form to fill out. This way I'm able to see exactly what they know as they walk in the door on the day the homework is due. So they're going to be logging into Google Classroom, and they would go to wherever assignment it says flipped homework. So again, this one is just the practice. And they've got directions right here for them. It says, watch the video and take the notes about the Panama Canal. They have the notes that they will glue down in their notebook as they do this. Answer the questions on the attached Google form quiz. Then note your group name based on how many points you got on the Google quiz. So if you got 4 to 5 points, you're a Mickey Mouse, 2 to 3 points, Minnie Mouse, and 1 to 0 points, Donald Duck. Then when they come into class the day the homework is due, there will be a flipped assignment based on their score. So this is differentiated and personalized for what each child was able to learn through the lesson. And then there's different activities that I want them to do, either to relearn the information or to practice and produce something using this new information that they've gained from the video. So to start, they would open up the video on the Panama Canal that I have recorded. They would watch the video. When it loads. And as they go through the video, it's going to mirror the notes that they picked up in class that they're going to be doing for homework.
All right, boys and girls, we're going to practice.
So if I was to go forward, you will be able to see that as I go through, I'm taking notes.
So
they're going to be taking these notes as well as they go through. After they are all done with the video, they are going to go back out to their Google Classroom, and they're going to click on the purple Google form labeled Panama Canal. They're going to put in their name, and they're going to answer 5 true or false questions based on the lesson that they just heard about the Panama Canal. At the end, it will give them their score right away. As soon as they know how many points they earned, they're going to go down to the flipped assignment. Now, this is what we do in class. So tonight for homework, you will not see this attached to their homework. It'll be assigned on Friday morning as they come in, because this will be classwork. For some reason, it is not wanting to pull up right now. Let's try this one more time. So when they pull up the flipped assignment, you're going to see that there are different activities and different learning tools to do based on how they scored on that 5-question assignment. Again, this is what they will be doing in class. So this part will not be seen tonight for homework. They will just be watching the video and answering the 5-question Google form. If they got a 100 or they got -1 point, they are Mickey Mouses. They're going to be writing a podcast script. If they are Minnie Mouse, scoring between 2 to 3 points, they're going to be observing a Nearpod and completing a decision-making lesson with a group or individually. If they are Donald Duck, scoring 1 to 0 points, they're going to have several different learning tools that will help them to learn more about the Panama Canal. So what this type of homework does is it allows me to really personalize and understand what the child knows when they walk in my classroom, and then we can do more practice at school to relieve some of the practice that they're doing at home. If you have any questions, please always feel free to email me, but I hope this quick flipped classroom homework practice tutorial helps you to see what they're going to be doing for homework tonight.